Hi Geminis, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be for you guys from August 1st to the 15th. So, how I do this is first I'll be looking at the current situation, and basis that I will be looking at the outcome that you can expect in the next 15 days. So, pretty much this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. So, how would you know this is resonating? I check on the current situation because I want you to see if the current situation is resonating. If that resonates, then pretty much this reading is meant for you. Alright, and I will be closing it off with a couple of oracle cards for you guys as an advice from the universe. So, let's see what's going on with Geminis. What's going on with Geminis? Nine of Wands, Four of Cups, Five of Pentacles, and Eight of Cups. Oh my god. You feel alone. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups. Okay. You feel alone, you're not sure about something, you are guarded, but there is a calling in you for someone. Like somebody who is enlightening you in a lot of ways. You want to move there, but over there also there is conflict. You're still not very sure. That is okay, Geminis. Take your time before deciding if you really want to give this that kind of a form at this point, because I see Queen of Pentacles here. So this seems to be like you think this is a very stable option, but you're still not fully convinced somewhere. Okay. I do sense that you're holding your guards up very strongly at this point. I feel like laughing, I'm sorry, but you can't do that for too long because I can see it here. It's like you know that it is there, you want it as well somewhere. But as in your loneliness is pushing. So right now it could be that you're thinking, is it my loneliness that is pushing me or is it something else? You're probably trying to figure that out for yourself. The Tower and Ace of Wands. But I think finally you will move in this direction. You will, and you want this stability in your life. This is something that you had been waiting for, and this brings you happiness. This brings you a lot of happiness. That's the current situation that I'm seeing. Basically, a lot of fight within yourself. Like you're fighting with yourself for something. Now, I don't know why would you do that, but I understand if you're doing it. Because that's the situation. Now, let's see if this is resonating with you. Let's see what can you expect in the next 15 days. August 1st to the 15th. August 1st to the 15th. Let's see. What can you expect? Judgment. Okay. Ace of Cups. The Magician. Three of Swords. Knight of Cups. Okay. So listen, you have emotions for this situation, like pretty much quite a bit. Okay. And you're aware of this, but you're still trying to manipulate yourself. It'll only break your heart even more if you are not going to accept what you're feeling for someone. So, fighting it is not the solution. Acceptance is the solution. In the next 15 days, I see awareness coming in very strongly, but the fight is still on. Fight is still on, but you don't realize that this fight is only giving you anxiety. Okay? And you have to stop doing that. Your guardedness is bringing you anxiety. You have to stop doing that. Accept what it is like accept whatever it is here in front of you. Just accept what it is, and don't really stress so much around this thing that how can this happen to me. See, I think this is to do with your relationship. You can fall in love, or you can have emotions for something, you can feel attachment. You're human after all. Okay, so fighting it is not going to bring you any kind of peace. It will only bring you anxiety, because you're going against nature. Okay, let's see what is the advice for you. Advice for Geminis. Patience and planning. Recognition and reward. Destiny. Okay. Now understand this thing that you can manage both. Like, as in, you will be able to be successful in what you're doing, and you will be able to get where you're supposed to go to, okay, with whatever is happening right now. So don't get paranoid about things. Okay, don't get paranoid about things. You've been planning for something, this plan will be successful. Nothing can tarnish that plan, nothing can sabotage that plan. Don't worry. What's happening right now with you is destiny, so please accept it. Your resistance and your non acceptance is the reason why you're feeling the way you're feeling right now. Okay? So, up to you. If you keep resisting it, you will keep feeling anxious. Resistance is never the solution to anything, acceptance is. Okay? So that's what I have for you, Geminis. I hope this reading gave you the clarity that you're seeking. Let me know in the comments. And private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And I have 2 Instagram accounts. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystals. It's a lot of info out there. You can check that out and keep me posted. I interact with everyone over there. So let me know. And I shall see you soon with more readings. Take care. Bye.